This way. Lightning with thunder and no rain. Very weird. Probably a dead big one again. This is weird, guys. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know where that's coming from. Must be over there. Can I get it? Yeah. There's no rain. It's just like a load of lightning and thunder. Whoa. Oh, I can hear rain on the roof. Oh, yeah. Whoa, my God. Oh, are you filming this? Yeah. Look at it. It's now currently about 6:20 in the morning in calahonda, Spain, and there is lightning. Yeah, this is on. I don't know what day it is. And it's now just starting to rain. Sunday the 24th of May. Whoa. 22nd or something of October. No, it's not 22nd. What's that? It's like 24th. Right. Whoa. Oh my God. I actually saw that. Oh. Whoa my God. Oh Jesus. I'm definitely uploading this. This is definitely. I think it's staying up. Watch this. Are you glad I watched you up now? Yeah. Whoa my God. It's actually me who woke him up. He was sound asleep. I think I'm going to... It's not a rainy day today. Shall I stop it at 2 minutes? Shall I carry on? You know, make it part 2 then. Yeah, I'll stop it now, guys. Okay, guys, fish with penguins here. Whoa! Missed it. Oh, we've got loads. Fish penguins and James Production signing off. Okay, guys. Bye.